Hello everybody, this is your Tatay Mechanic again. I'm replacing a starter on 2002 Mitsubishi Montero Sport 3.5 liter. I check everything is tight, especially for sure. Next time before you change the starter, check your terminal, make sure it's tight. But I check everything is tight. Then when I start it, all I hear is clicking. My starter is only clicking. If it's clicking, there's your problem, solenoid. But replace the whole starter. And it's better to remove the starter, you know. It's not that. It's easy if you know what to do. Make sure you remove remove the tire. And the starter is right here. Only 2 bolts. One is behind this for your heat shield. There's a bolt at the upper one, and then there's a bolt at the lower one. And then you remove the starter this way. Okay? Yeah. Just like this. You gotta put the starter this way without removing the heat shield. Okay? Here you can put the starter this way. Okay. Yeah, you can put the starter this way. Then I'm gonna show you later if it's already on. Okay? I'll be back. Thank you. This for your solenoid switch, and this for your power. This one. Thank you. Okay. Here, I just put the starter without removing that heat shield. Okay. I show you the bolt is right here. One up here. And the other one is down here. Right there. Do you see that bolt? It's only 2 bolts. Then you can remove the starter now and put it back the same way. Okay? Then start it up. Voila. Okay? Thank you.